Welcome to Maxqsoft, where we specialize in creating dynamic explainer videos designed to help your business soar. Our mission is to turn complex ideas into captivating visual stories that engage your audience and drive growth. What makes our explainer videos stand out? We combine stunning images and compelling video footage to create content that truly resonates. Whether it's animated graphics or live-action shots, we source the perfect media elements to bring your vision to life. Want a personal touch? No problem. You can provide your own media for a customized presentation that reflects your unique brand. Our process is straightforward and efficient. Typically, we start with information from your website, ensuring that the content aligns with your online presence. If your website doesn't have the exact details you need, simply provide us with the necessary content and we'll handle the rest. This approach allows us to deliver high-quality videos faster than you might expect. Our videos can feature real people and professional voiceovers, adding an extra layer of authenticity and impact. Imagine a polished, powerful video presentation that captures the essence of your brand and communicates your message clearly and effectively. And here's the best part, our prices are more affordable than you might think. Quality video production doesn't have to break the bank. At Maxqsoft, we believe in providing exceptional value for our clients. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today, and let's create something amazing together. With Maxqsoft, your brand story will be seen, heard, and remembered.